to come to this important AU meeting. They have withdrawn. And the reason for that withdrawal is that there is no confidence in your government, especially when
A point of order, Mr. Speaker. There's a point of order. Mr. Speaker, the rules of the House are very, very clear. And I'm standing on Standing Order number 65, which requires that members should be factual in whatever they present on the floor of this House. Is the honorable member for Kabushi, the former Bulldozer, and the Butilika, in order to stand tall on the floor of this House, to mislead the nation and everyone?
Point of order,
Honorable
Mr. Speaker.
member, I think withdraw the word Butlika.
I withdraw
the
the words I used to spice up the point of order.
Mr. Speaker.
On a serious note, Mr. Speaker,
Never
I
follow
withdraw the word Butlika. But the point of order I'm raising is,
I think withdraw the word former Bulldozer and Butlika.
I withdraw both of those words, Mr. Speaker. The point of order I'm trying to make here is the substance of the insinuations that he seems to be pushing on the floor of this House without tangible evidence which he can lay on the table as to people having withdrawn because of our failures, which are just in his imaginations. I need your serious ruling, Mr. Speaker.
I think honorable members, I advise that as we submit, let's be factual. Things that we can